Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna answer one of the most asked question, or you can say one of the most asked comment or a DM, and I'm gonna answer that question. That question is, if your Redbubble account has been suspended, or if your any other print on demand or shop has been suspended, and is there any other alternative that you can earn passive income online, or there is any other online business just like print on demand, any other online business? And I want to answer this question because this was a question I got on my one of the videos in which the people were asking me, like, apart from that print on demand shop and Redbubble and all that, is there any other way to earn more passive income online or online business idea or anything like that? So I'm going to answer this question in this video guys. Now this question has been arised because I made a video talking about my Redbubble account has been suspended, and now I can't open up another new account on this Redbubble because of their policy of the linked accounts. And if your one account has been suspended, you can't open a new account, and if you have another account, then all the accounts linked to that particular account will get blocked too, will get suspended too. So that is their system, and that's why you can't go back to that Redbubble shop if you once your account has been suspended. So I was getting this question that if this thing happened to us and a print and demand shop is not there right now, so what is the other alternative to earn online income or online passive income? Well guys, I made a video a few days back only about KDP. If you want to check that video out, you can check that video out in the card section. But I have made a video in that I talk about a way to earn more passive income online by creating books, that is the paperback books on the Kindle Direct Publishing, and selling them on the Amazon. That's completely free. You don't need to invest any money into that. But the books that I have already talked about is not a high content book, is a low content and a no content book. Now I thought about that, what is I really mean by no content book and what I really mean by low content book. The low content book comprises of the coloring pages or Sudoku puzzles or the gratitude journals or the planners, which contains some content but not high content like the normal books. But in case of the no content, that means the blank sketchbooks or the lined journals, or you can say the college paper or the notebook or anything like that. So these two are the categories of the way in which you can earn passive income online. So that is one alternative. Like, you can get started with your KDP business and you can create these low and no content book and design them and can sell them on the Amazon. And when someone actually purchase that book, then the Amazon will going to print that book and will going to deliver to the customer, and you don't need to handle the customer delivery, shipping and all that. And you're gonna get your royalty per book you sold, and that you can set on the Amazon itself. And that's the one alternative for the print on demand thing. Then another alternative guys, I'm going to tell you that you can also start with your own digital product based business idea, which is also an amazing business idea. Like, if you go on to check onto the Etsy, you can go on to check on the Etsy. There are the various different ways in which you can sell on that. See, if you are making any handmade products, then you can sell in that way. But if you are not into that, then you can make a digital products. Digital product comprises of various cheat sheets, spreadsheets, then PowerPoint presentations, then even planners, the journals, the printables. There are various different types of printables that people actually buy on the Etsy in various different categories. Like, if you, whatever niche you want to go with guys, if you want to go with the student niche, then you obviously can go make with those type of stuff and all that. So that's the second way. That is the second way guys in which you can earn more passive income online, because on Etsy obviously it's not free. You need to pay for the per listing you create onto the Etsy, and like, I guess that is the 20 cents per listing, but that it's applicable only for 3 months I guess, and then after that you need to renew that listing again, and then again you need to pay the 20 cents and all that. So it's not free to get started with the Etsy, but it's really worth it guys. You can make an account on that, you can sell the digital products, and you can create these digital products in the Canva itself. Like, it's a free tool, you don't need to pay for their premium version or paid plan. You can use their free plan as well. You can create these printables and whatever niche or industry you want to go for. Like, if you are related to the art industry, then you can make an art printables or daily planners. You can make these planners, you can make these trackers or habit trackers or health trackers. Like you can take an idea of on the Etsy itself. They have so many products or digital products on their platform. You can literally go over to there and check that what exactly people are doing it, and you can replicate that process, and you can open up a shop on Etsy and can start with that digital form of income. And obviously, since it's not a physical product, you don't need to handle the shipping and all those stuffs. It's just another way to earn more passive income online, guys. And if you have your own followers, your own subscribers, if you have some sort of your followers or people actually interested in buying something from you, then you don't even need to go for the Etsy. You can even create a shop on the Gumroad as well, because Gumroad is also an amazing way to earn passive income online. Like you can open up a shop on Gumroad and you can sell your digital product. You can even sell your physical product on the Gumroad itself, and it's really free to open up a shop on the Gumroad. And they have really an amazing clean way, and it's so easy to get started with that. Like it's just a simple few steps to get started with that. Another, guys, to make more passive income online, that could be an alternative for the print on demand, is starting with a blog. Now, blog is not that easy as it sounds, because you need to invest something. You need to invest for the domain hosting, and you need to go for the WordPress if you want to go with the WordPress. If you want to go with the Wix or Squarespace, whatever platform you are using, you need to pay something to get started with that. Then you can start making your affiliate marketing website onto that, or you can even create your own blog and you can start writing that blog article, and then you can generate the income via the Google AdSense. Or if you are reaching to 25,000 plus monthly visitors, then you can also go for the Mediavine and different ad platforms out there to earn money via ads. Or if you are into the affiliate marketing, then you can also get started with promoting the Amazon products, because it's one of the most common way, by which you can earn affiliate income is the Amazon, because it's one of the most popular website in this planet or on this world. And it's really this website is really credible. I really don't want to say anything about it, because you guys know about the Amazon. So you can go for the affiliate program as well. You can sell your own digital products as well on these websites. So that's an also amazing way to make a passive income online. Obviously, you need to do work on the upfront in the very beginning, because you need to write those blog articles. You need to do all those stuffs, editing and all those things on your behalf in the very beginning. But later on, you can get the money from it via the AdSense, the affiliate marketing, or selling your own digital products. Another way, guys, apart from this print on demand, is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing can be done via making a blog. Like if you want to write the blog article, you can create a website and you can sell your affiliate products via that blog article as well. But if you don't want to go with that, if you love making videos or if you love making podcasts, then obviously you can come onto the YouTube and create these videos, and then in the YouTube description you can put the links of that affiliate product. You can also make videos related to the reviews of the various different products onto the Amazon, and then can promote the affiliate links in the description box below of the various affiliate products of your videos. And that is another way. Another to promote these affiliate product is by podcasts. Like if you are into making these podcasts, then you can create the podcast episodes and you can start with the Anchor. Anchor is free way to make your podcast and to host your podcast. You can record your episodes and you can host your podcast on the Anchor itself. So it's another way to promote your affiliate products via the podcast, via the YouTube videos, or via the blog articles. Or if you have social media followers, like if you have the followings on the social media like Instagram, Facebook, you can also very well promote your affiliate products on this on those platforms as well. Another way to earn more passive income online is, guys, creating niche based Instagram pages. Like if you check out the memes pages or a page related to any particular niche, like related to the food, related to the travel, related to the fashion or beauty or anything like that, you can make those pages onto the Instagram. And when you have a certain amount of followers, that you can sell the affiliate products via these Instagram pages as well. In fact, you can also contact other people in your niche industry and tell them that you have so many followers and you're gonna promote your product for this particular amount, so you can get the sponsors or you can get the paid ads via this method as well, guys. So there are many ways in which you can make passive income online, not just by opening up a shop on a print on demand websites or anything like that. There are many different ways, guys, you can earn that. So I have covered so far with the KDP, low and no content book. Then the second one I was covering with the digital product on the Etsy or on the Gumroad. The third thing that I have covered is opening up a blog that you can earn passive income online by making an affiliate marketing, website marketing. Like you can promote your affiliate products via the YouTube, via the blog article, via the podcast. And the fourth method, another method that I covered was making a niche Instagram based account, and then you can sell the affiliate products via these websites, or you can sell any products on these platforms. And if you don't want to sell anything, then you can also contact different companies and can promote their products and can take money in return of that. So there are so many ways in which you can make passive income online, not just opening up a print on demand shop. So I hope that this video finds useful to you. You get some clarity out of it, like what you want to do next if one of your print on demand shop has been suspended. So I hope that this video really helps you a lot, and that's it for today's videos, and see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.